OPNsense Firewall. So if you go into OPNsense, the left menus, you will see here Firewall. Firewall has various sections available here. First section that you see here is the alias. So alias will allow you to create the group of IP addresses, networks, ports, or URL that can be referenced in the firewall rules or even NAT or other configuration. It is useful for simplifying the rule management by grouping related entities. It helps in dynamic rule update without modifying the multiple rules manually. Once we configure this, we will look into this in detail. Then is the automation. OPNsense provides a robust API-driven approach for automating firewall management. The firewall automation capabilities allow seamless machine-to-machine interaction, enabling custom applications to configure and manage firewall rules dynamically. There are various use cases that we will be discussing. Then is the categories. Categories are the categories of the firewall rules that will help you to organize the firewall. You can create multiple categories by giving the category name and the colors. It will help you to group the similar rules together. It will also help you to improve the rule management in complex setups. Then is the groups. So firewall groups allow batching the firewall rules for multiple interfaces or conditions. Now, for example, here we can see these are two firewall groups right now created. But of course, you can create more groups also. It is useful when you need consistent rule sets across different interfaces. It helps in policy enforcement for the multiple networks. Then is NAT. So you can do the port forwarding. These are some of the rules which are automatically created. You can of course create the NAT rules here. This particular port forwarding will help to modify and translate the packet headers. When the traffic comes for a specific port or a specific IP, it will be translated to the internal port. In one-to-one, it will map an external IP to an internal IP. In outbound NAT, it will control how internal traffic appears externally. Then is the rules. So rules will control, of course, what you want to allow, what you want to block, and what you want to deny based on the source, destination, ports. It can be applied to different interfaces, WAN, LAN, or VLAN, or even VPN, or any other interfaces that you have configured. It is essential for the network security and segmentation. Rules is extremely important. You need to understand what the rule is all about. Then is the shaper. In shaper, you have the traffic shaping. In fact, you can define the rules, you can define the queues, and you can check the status. In setting, you can of course define the schedules. So this schedule will help you to apply the firewall rules based on the schedules in case you want to block the traffic at night. So all of those schedules can be defined here. And finally, we have the log files here. It will help you to understand what the activities are there, including the block and allowed traffic. And this will also help you to do the troubleshooting of the firewall rules. So logs can be filtered and these can be exported as well. So you can see here, you can download and you can see the live view also, what is happening right now. And then you can have the overview by interface, by protocol, by source IP, and so on. So diagnostic tool helps you to debug the network issues and it will help you to monitor what is happening right now. So this was about the firewall section overview. So let us continue to next video. We will learn a lot about firewall.